Hello, my friends. How you guys doing? Hello, my friends. How you guys doing? Good night, good morning, good evening for everybody.
Iran's deputy foreign minister, military strength and threats aided in finalizing text.
Well, where's price? Oh my god. Let me do this. Look at the size of this candle. Ah, not that big. Gotta be honest with you guys. Something strange, man. Let me see. Did we change contracts? Fima, good evening, my friend. Abdul, Piotr, Falling On, good evening. Anyone going short on NQ? Probably not, my brother. Temporary gap up and then TPT, Revenant, good morning, Dan Depor, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know what time it is. Revenant, excited for UFC 250? 100%, man. Yeah, I'm seeing that we are above 30k, but it's probably because it's a rollover, isn't it? I have to trade. Oh my god.
Iran Deputy Foreign Minister, we did not approve the MOU until final demands were included in text.
$30. Okay. Okay. So, my brothers, I'm going to wait. I have to go to the new contract, I guess. MNQNU. It's probably the right one. I have to review MNQs. MNQ. Yeah, we are having more volume on the new contract, so I'll actually change to
Iran's deputy
MNQU.
foreign minister, armed forces will always keep finger on the trigger. Ukraine repels aerial strike over Kyiv, Mayor.
Good night, guys. Let's hit the like. Let's get the likes going from the start. Let's push it towards 100.
Iran's deputy foreign minister, mediators will remain in upcoming talks.
Is the voice news too high or no? Or too good? Gotta tell me. Gold's gapping up. The range on gold is actually decent. Oil probably gapping down like crazy. Trading on 280. Let's see the other indexes. Let's go to Tradeovate, guys. Let me jump to Discord. Mr. Mango.
What's up? What's up?
What's up, my brother? I've got to
look good or not?
Yeah, I gotta be honest. I thought we were going to have a bigger push to the upside.
I think so. I mean, we're already what? We pumped from 670, almost 700 to, I mean, 100-point jump, but then we're up like another.
Iran's deputy
300
foreign
point
minister.
gap up, you know what
Negotiations to begin after assets are unfrozen, blockade
I have
ends,
4
and
micros
war
long at
concludes.
30,026. So let's see where this goes. So this pops up. I'm solid. There it goes.
I don't like these gaps between candles right here.
I'm barely breaking even. So
Iran's deputy foreign minister. 60-day talks will concentrate on lifting sanctions.
I'm more than break even right now. Whoa. What was
Iran's
that?
deputy foreign minister. Commitments to take effect Friday.
Alright, do I break even or do I go higher? Let's see if it goes higher though. Doesn't look like it's wanting to go up, so we'll see.
Gold is skyrocketing, maybe.
I haven't even watched gold, to be honest.
You're feeling FOMO, Mr. FEMA? Don't do that.
All my break even is around like 50, 60 bucks. So even if anything does, you know what I mean? If it falls down, I'm still profitable. So I just wanted, okay, I guess not then. I guess it ain't gonna go to my, I'll barely break even then. See, will it push up or is it gonna take me out then?
Look what I got. Look what I got sent.
Actually, I'm gonna risk like 40, 50 bucks. That's it. Might have a deeper pullback then go up maybe.
How you guys doing? How you guys doing?
What's up? What's up? What's up? Are you live, Leo?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. It might just get taken out. Oh well. Ooh, this 5 minute doesn't look nice though. It looks old. Damn. Let's see how quickly they push it. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, breaking even. 50 bucks now. Gonna let this ride. I'm actually gonna add 3 more micros to this, maybe. Yeah, alright. My average is 45. I need to do. Let's see if it goes to the 107, 30,107. Oh, M and Q. Oh.
Yeah, we are trading above 30K again because we changed contracts. So let me see on the daily chart what we're doing. Yeah, brother. Can this be the third green candle in a row? Maybe. You know? There's a mega high here from that day that dropped 1,600 points.
My trading view is still at like.
We are 400 points away.
Yeah, for some reason.
We are 400 points away from sweeping that huge 1,600 points day that dropped 1,600 points day. May 6th? No, 5th of June. Hormuz open.
See. Alright, I'm pretty much 10 micros long from 30,052 at this point. That's where my average is. I'm gonna break even around at like 120 bucks. So if it pushes down, it pushes down. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. If it pushes above 80, Leo, I'm gonna break even around at 30,070. I don't think it might though. I think this might want to try to fall. Might exit out here. No, let's see. Breaking my even up 200 bucks in. Actually, no. Let's average you down even more then. They might try to staircase this up.
Yeah. I feel for me to buy over here, the risk to reward is not that big for me to go in right now.
I don't blame you.
Guys in the chat, how was your weekend? FEMA, am I cold? Yeah, it's a little bit colder today.
Let's see what they try to do here. Ah, there's the push down. Okay. Up. Still made like 30 bucks.
Load and lock, I don't think I'm going to buy until it fills that gap. Brother, imagine if it does never come back. You'll never buy anymore? There was a gap here that took like 2 weeks to get filled.
Shaanxi Micot Pharmaceutical Technology Company international offering involves 52.2 million H shares.
See what happens now.
Yeah, the first 15 minutes passed. In the range, my brothers, are it's big, but like there's 8 or 9 Sunday opens in a row that the orb of the first 15 minutes paid like crazy. So maybe, yeah, that's a 280 point stop loss. Where's Pasha to get me hope on the orb, on the Sunday orb? My weekend was good. Very chill weekend.
Qatar Prime Minister welcomes accord on US-Iran Memorandum of Understanding, posts on X.
We went to dinner yesterday. Friend of ours had a birthday dinner. Watched the game, World Cup game, Brazil game together. Was nice. Sadly, Brazil got a draw.
Qatar's Prime
But
Minister
good
looking
enough.
forward to all parties participating in upcoming talks in positive, constructive spirit.
Mr. Mojo, hello. My volume is low. Probably not. Mojo, hello. My volume is low. Probably. Yeah, I just heard myself on the feedback. It's high enough. Gap down won't fill. We bullish. Buy the pullbacks. If you sell, you get crushed. Be still done. Yeah, but like I thought we were going to get a bigger gap to the upside and a bigger push to the upside. I actually did. This level right here was where it lost the bottom. It was this level right here was previously the 30k 050 level. So this is where it lost the bottom on that 16 points, 1600 points day. This level 350 is where the 050 level was. So this level is very important actually. This is where it lost the bottom on that day that dropped 1600 points. So probably be careful around here.
Let's see if it bounces off of VWAP or not, Leo.
Where
Long
is
at
VWAP?
344 or well.
Oh, the VWAP's not showing, man. Oh man, do I go long?
Already did.
I'm going long on the orb, Mr. Pasha.
Iran's deputy foreign minister, nuclear issues will be addressed in 60-day talks.
Good luck. You're going in? I don't want to go in. Actually, at this orb, like it's 150 point stop. But who knows? Why only 90 points? Yeah, I'm not counting the gap. It's like 150 point stop. Like the range from low to high, it's 283 points.
Iran's deputy foreign minister. 60-day talks to cover sanction removal, reconstruction plans, and oversight mechanisms.
Maybe you're seeing, maybe NQ is, NQ is different. NQ is very much different. NQ is the, it opened up like way above. Yeah, on NQ it's like a way smaller range. The stop loss is only 90 points. So I guess I could enter on MNQ and use the NQ stop loss. So the stop loss would be NQ. Oh, but did you switch to the new contract or no? Probably, yeah. If you're on TradingView, it switched actually. So yeah, the stop loss is 289. The stop loss is at 289 probably.
They're gonna try to break the high, I think.
Yeah, I'm going in on the orb.
Going into. I'm long, pretty much at 75. 3 minis. Just to pass this eval right here. 50k eval on top step. All right. Think I should have passed it.
Yeah.
Now.
9 days in a row. Let's see. 9 Sundays in a row, maybe. I'm not feeling good on this long at all, but I'm taking it.
Where are you long from?
High. The high of the higher day. 384.
Oh, 84?
84,
Oh,
yeah. The NQ broke up. Yeah, like now what I need is to see like a confirmation.
Everything
Like,
just paused in a way.
yeah, if this candle do not close above, that means that it's not confirmed, so I'll probably get out because I'm not confident enough. So I need to see this candle closing up. Oh, you're waiting for a pullback to enter, Pasha? Oh, Mr. Pasha abandoned me on the orb, man.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's a no bueno. Like if this candle does not close above, that means that we got a sweep but not a confirmation, so I'll probably close the trade and wait for a pullback. You want good entry? Nice. That's what I like to hear. 200 of you guys hit the like button to help me to help me keep my job. You guys need to push this to 100 likes, my friends. You guys already know. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, my friend. It's way too easy for you not to be subscribed, man. on a sim account testing stuff. Not winning. Do you see this letter U here? Right here, letter U. This is the contract. The previous contract was the letter M. The next contract's the letter U. So we have to change to that. Like, for me to explain how contracts work right now, brother, it's going to take a while, and I'm in the middle of a trade. Yeah, I'm going to close this trade because it's sweat but it's not confirmed, so it makes 0 sense for me to stay. So I'll take the 10-point stop. Now we are way too overbought on the RSI, man. I don't like this at all. This is not a normal price action movement. This is way too influenced by the news, you know? This is not a normal price action movement. Love my patience. Yeah. Sometimes I don't like my patience mode, but I guess it's better to have it than to not have it. I don't like this. On the 1 minute, we got a massive divergence. Look at the highs and lows on the RSI and the highs and lows on the 1 minute. Like, we're probably getting a pullback on here. I guess there's a little wedge forming. If you discount the first candle that was heavily influenced by news, the price action is actually a wedge, so probably we'll get a pullback to the downside.
None of that. It's at VWAP right now for me though. Like at 344-ish, that's where my VWAP is.
My VWAP is missing, man. Where's the VWAP?
On TradingView, it's there. Even though TradingView and TopStep are, look for me, it's at 30,300-ish area. But on TradeAway, it's at 30,000, whatever, 44.
I don't know if it's because switched contracts, but
yeah, it probably did. But probably
it's not showing my view up. Volume. Yeah, it's not here.
Well, that's crazy.
Okay. Yeah, community indicators it's not working. 334 was actually a very good entry. I think I just missed searching for the VWAP. 30 pennies. Hello, how are you doing? Evoni, sell or buy is at the moment. I guess the longs are better right now.
Could try a buy micro long at 64. I just need like 60-70 bucks more. I want to see if this pushes up or not.
UFC. Let me see.
Yeah, I don't like this 5 minute either though. Neither the 3 minute. It's like super bearish.
Brother, today is the UFC 250, man.
Yeah.
On the White House.
That's gonna be crazy though.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I'm very good trading pennies.
Oh, it missed me by a tick, Leo.
Yeah, man.
Literally missed me by a tick. Holy moly.
I'm seeing a huge
Iran's Foreign
divergence.
Deputy
I don't
Minister
like this.
One condition for retaliation against Israel's Beirut southern suburb attack is Israeli withdrawal from southern Lebanon.
Oh, come on.
Just found a
messed up.
20-point stop trade, so let's see.
UK PM Starmer. I warmly welcome today's deal between the United States and Iran.
Bro, the trade got an instant 10 points and got back to break even.
Yeah, I don't even know what's doing now.
UK's PM Starmer congratulates President
take
Trump
me out.
and mediators from Pakistan, Qatar and others for breakthrough.
Bro. There we go.
UK PM Starmer. Toll-free navigation must be restored in Strait of Hormuz.
Trading view is lagging a lot. A lot.
Got a
UK's PM
very bad
Starmer.
feel.
We are prepared to back the upcoming technical discussions. President Trump. Strait of Hormuz to reopen Friday after ceasefire agreement signing.
Think it falls. Look at ES, Leo. Look at how it's like hanging on by
UK's
a
PM
thread.
Starmer. UK's firm, long-standing stance is
Yeah, I
that
got a
Iran must
very bad
never
feel right
acquire
here.
a nuclear weapon.
I had to enter at 350. I'm 370, man.
Short at 55.
I got a very bad feel.
Sure.
I think you're breaking to the downside, man.
Yeah. Alright, I'm 3 mini short at 50. Breaking even. Come on. Let's see if it wants to push down more.
Iran's Tasnim cites source, Strait of Hormuz to reopen Friday after MOU signing.
But it is a break even. I don't want to see this come back.
I don't blame you.
We either get a big sweep down or I get out of break even.
Gotcha.
The leveraging one.
Alright. Took 500 on that. Should have taken more, but man, got wicked out.
Sweep down, my brother.
Where's your average at, Leo?
Don't even know, man. 346, I guess.
Okay, short 346. Okay. I think you should be good, boss.
I'm with my stop at break even already because, like, with all the news, it either drops like crazy right now or you can get swept a lot instantly as well. My target is at 295. Like, we broke that wedge that I was talking about. We got a pullback on it. Yeah, I'll probably
Okay.
take. I got $80 on that trade. $80 on that trade.
That's good.
Putting 40
High-rise
points.
apartment building ablaze in Kiev after air raids.
Strait of
Local
Hormuz ain't gonna
authorities.
open till Friday, I guess.
Yeah, like I said, guys, like if we discounted that first candle, that was the news candle. Influenced by the news candle at open, we kind of formed a wedge, and we broke that wedge, retested. That's why I was trying to take a short. I got a, you know, was all over the place a little bit, but we actually caught a nice 40 points short, 30 points short, or something like that. Pasha is long at 356, targeting TP1 and TP2, stop loss at 286, so he's safe still. Holding and oh man, my wife's, what's this smell? My wife is cooking. Just got hungry. Just got real hungry. Yeah, a lot of news is coming out. Why do I have to relax, Fima?
Let's see, going long. Let's see if this keeps pushing long or if it doesn't. Going long at 40. Pushed way too downward, too quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna draw this little trend line right here. Like, I'll follow this on the 1 minute. Yeah, maybe this is a very good long right here, but we actually farm lower highs, lower lows, and I'm not comfortable with that.
Yeah, I'm long at 43 minutes on an eval, but I am
Iran's foreign
trying to break
deputy
even, but
minister,
I'm waiting for it to kind
Israel's
of go at least a
pullback
little
from
higher, at
southern
least like
Lebanon, one of
above
Tehran's
50 or
conditions for
above
not
48.
responding to Beirut's
Seeing
southern
if it
suburbs attack.
stays up there, then I'm good. Bro, the spread is crazy on these.
Yeah, I took a short around 340 something and covered at this low right here.
Yeah. I'm gonna risk 150 on this trade.
I was down 60 bucks, now I'm up 20, so I got like 80 bucks on that trade. I may wait until 8 p.m. Eastern when more exchanges open, yeah. Yeah, I think we'll get like each hour on Sunday open, each new hour brings new volatility. So we get like a little slow after the first 20 minutes of every hour. So it's probably best for us to wait for the next hour to switch, you know. Guys, 230 of you, I would appreciate very much if you guys were kind enough to hit the like button. Let's push this to 100. 100 likes.
Iran's mayor releases details of 14-article draft memorandum of understanding between Iran and US.
I feel like, I don't know, they either push this very aggressively, Leo, or they push this down on the 5 minute.
Iran's mayor on MOU. Complete removal of US naval blockade within 30 days.
Yeah, so like if you look at the 1 minute, price lost all the intention. Like there's no intention on price anymore. Like it's three sideways candle, no volume. Look at the volume. There's zero intention on the price. We need to see new actors coming in the market.
I think they're scared mainly.
But judging by what happened at open, I like kind of bullish, you know. I just don't like that we broke to the downside on the
US memorandum would lift sanctions
market
on
structure
Iranian oil
thing.
and petrochemical exports.
$48.25 is my long. I want to see if it actually works out for me. Or I just got it at the wrong time and I knew it was a short, but we'll see.
Yeah, ReviewNet, like low volume usually brings random reactions of price, you know?
Iran's mayor.
There it
Draft
is. That's
Iran
what it
US
was waiting
memorandum
for.
demands immediate, permanent ceasefire on all fronts, including Lebanon.
$40 is the. It's my average now.
Iran's May. Draft US-Iran MOU proposes reopening Strait of Hormuz in 30 days under Iranian terms.
Yeah, this is keeping lower highs, guys. This is keeping lower highs.
Iran's mayor on Memorandum of Understanding. Necessity for US and allies to submit reconstruction plans for
Yeah,
Iran
lost that
totaling at
eval.
least
Went a little
$300
heavy
billion.
on that one, but oh well.
This is keeping lower highs, so yeah, we'll probably see a push down.
Iran's mayor. Draft deal includes 60-day nuclear talks and complete sanction removal.
We'll probably try the 9 EMA on the 5 in a while, in a few minutes.
Iran's mayor. Draft omits missile program and backing for resistance groups from final
Wow,
negotiations.
pushed it right back up. Look at that volume.
Iran's mayor. Draft Iran-US agreement proposes release of $24 billion in frozen Iranian assets during negotiations. Iran's top joint military command. People of Iran under supreme leader have shown US there is no option but defeat.
Brother, this deal finalized thing is going to.
Iran's mayor. Iran-US MOU requires half of $24 billion frozen assets accessible before final negotiations begin.
The dude from Iran saying all this crazy stuff right now. You're short? You short, my brother? Good luck. Yeah, 300 there's buyers at 310, 35. There's clearly buyers here. We can judge that by how price reacted on this candle and on this candle right here. We can judge that there's buyers at 305, 310. So that's a bueno for the longs. So we are probably going to make a new high here and switch market structure. But I'm telling you, if you exclude the first candle, this is kind of a sideways market. There's a range from here to here. If you exclude the first like 2 candles, because it's where the volatility kick in of the news over the weekend, we're kind of sideways.
Iran's mayor. Final talks won't start before half of blocked funds are freed, oil sanctions dropped, and naval blockade lifted. Iran's mayor. Final Iran-US agreement to be backed by UN Security Council resolution.
Yeah, I don't even know what to do here now, Leo. It's crazy.
Yeah. Probably nothing, man. If you don't know what to do, the right answer is probably nothing.
Nah. We got a full port, Leo. Come on. Where's that enthusiasm? Let me see that. You
Yeah.
gotta grind up, full porting.
Yeah. Actually, no. Yeah, we can actually see that there's buyers around here.
New Zealand
I think we have a
actual
deeper
electronic
pullback,
card
Leo,
retail
then
sales
we
rise
buy it back up. I think we at least
3.3%
have a
in
deeper
May from
pullback
year
back to
ago.
the
New Zealand's
260,
adjusted electronic card retail
900
sales
area?
rise 1.7% in May versus prior month.
I don't know, maybe. Because on the 1 minute it kind of created like a M or like an upside down W, but let's see if it reverses.
One second, guys.
Let's see. Leo got hungry. Leo's gonna go get that food.
E4 leaders UK, France, Germany and Italy warmly welcome Memorandum of Understanding announcement between US and Iran. Joint statement.
I have a Top Step account that I might have just passed right now.
It's my wife.
Oh,
Asked my wife for food.
Oh, see, I knew it. I
Going
knew
to
it.
do a plate for me.
Nice.
Yeah, the right contract is the letter U right now, for anyone that's asking.
Joint statement from leaders of E4, UK, France, Germany and Italy. Iran must never obtain
got a
nuclear
funded
weapon.
account, 50K on Top Step.
Joint statement from E4 leaders, UK, France, Germany and Italy, prepared to remove sanctions if Iran takes clear, verifiable nuclear steps.
If you look at the 1 minute, guys, there's zero intention on the market right now.
Look at the 5 minute, Leo.
It's a random outcome. Whenever there's low volume and zero intention, the outcome is random.
140,000 Kiev residents without power, electricity lines damaged. Mayor.
Yeah, on the 5 minute, if I look at the price action, what comes to my mind is that we'll probably see
urge urgent reopening of Strait of Hormuz with unconditional navigation
the
freedom.
news guy.
I think
We'll probably see a
higher-
push to the upside again. We'll probably see that, like, judging. But I don't know. I'm almost discarding this first 5 minute candle.
Yeah. I think we go a little higher to like 60s or 70s, and then we push back down.
For me to actually think that we're going up, I need to see a higher low, a higher high actually.
Yeah, true.
It's the end of the contract. Every 2.5 months, the contract expires, and you'd have to trade the new one. That's
Joint
why.
statement from E4 leaders. We are prepared to collaborate with US, Iran, and IAEA to achieve this goal.
The next contract expires in September. This expired in June. I think it's every 3 months. There's a new contract rollover. So we basically trade 4 contracts per year. That's why. talking about the NASDAQ. I don't actually know the in details thing. I only know about the Brazilian index because I traded that for a long time. But I think it's the same thing.
I'm going short at 36, Leo. YOLOing it right now. Let's see if it drops down or if it pops up. Never mind. It popped up.
Operate from shorts. Now
Oh,
I'm waiting
Lord.
for the
Joint
WC
statement
match.
from E4 leaders. We
Yeah.
reaffirm full
Let's see.
backing for stability, sovereignty, and territorial integrity of Lebanon, and emphasize importance of strong ceasefire.
Alright, hit my daily loss limit on my funded. Oh Lord. If it fell down now, that's gonna be funny. I need
Still
to
gotta
stop hitting
pump
the
it
daily
first,
loss limit
maybe, yeah.
more.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, never mind. We started a 15-minute candle a while ago. Hourly candle in 9 minutes, guys.
Yeah. Guys, I trade price action, and when price action is shite, as the England dudes would say, I have nothing to do, actually. As my English brothers would say. Is that a curse word? That's a curse word, sorry. PA is no bueno right now, staying out of trades. DJ Urban, yeah. Tangwen, so MNQ, U and MESU, yeah. Yeah, usually the trading platforms will change that for you. But what I do, like Tradeovate, usually takes a while to change. What I do is I look at the previous contract and the new contract, and I see which one has a bigger volume trading, and I switch to that. So like right now, if you look at the letter M on MES, it's below 3,000, the volume. Let's change to the letter U. The volume is above, yeah, looks like it's smaller on the new contract. Let's see on MNQ. On the MNQU, we are doing like 2K volume, 2.2 here. Let's see on the new contract. On the previous contract, we're doing below 1.5, 1.6. So the letter U on the new contract of the NASDAQ is already having more volume. So I trade the one with more volume.
There's a lot of volume at one, sitting at 100, I guess.
I don't know. Gente. Pode deixar aí. Obrigado. Obrigado. Have you guys ever eaten feijoada? Guys, I'm going to eat because I'm very hungry right now. Just wait for it to get a little bit colder. Rice, feijoada, is a stew made out of beans and pork chops, porks, bacon and everything, and farofa. World Cup Brazil Tats. I love Dars, nice. Revenant starting to be more strict with my if I see no trade, I take no trade rule. Yeah, if you're trying to be professional, that's the way to do it. And like right now, look at this, man. Like look at this 2-minute chart. Like if I say that there's a trade to be taken here, like there is, like in my opinion, there's a, like you go long and you wait for a new break of highs and a new push up, and you put a stop loss like to 60 to 65 to 70s, something like that. Maybe you trail by the 5-minute 9 EMA, you know, but like that's not a trade that I like to take, and mainly because like the candles, in my opinion, are very much sideways, so there's no intention on the candles. Like there's actually zero intention, and that usually, that intention, that volume, that direction will probably come out of nowhere, and it can be to the upside or to the downside, you know. So I don't like these types of odds.
In Ukraine, Kyiv's Pechursk-Lavra monastery ablaze after airstrike, Kyiv mayor.
I love different perspectives in trading. Then we all win lovely short story. Okay, nice. Yeah, the game yesterday, like Morocco,
UK
is a
Foreign
very
Minister
good team.
Cooper strongly welcome US-Iran deal announcement.
I was
National Security
actually
Council finalized text for memorandum of understanding with US.
Yeah, I was actually worried that we were going to lose that match yesterday. So Morocco is a very good team, and Brazil is one of the worst teams ever in Brazil. It's probably the worst team in 40 years or something.
National Security Council signing of memorandum of understanding planned for Friday, June 19th.
Yeah. So I was actually worried. Like a draw against Morocco was a good
Cooper,
result.
Restoring free navigation through Strait of Hormuz is crucial.
When I saw Casemiro, I couldn't comprehend that Brazil don't have any good young defenders. Yeah, Brazil has some good players, but from the, like, on the forwards are good, in my opinion. But the middle,
Iran
to the
agreement talks to start
defenders, no good in my opinion. Not good.
Memorandum of understanding.
Natalie, yum, nice. No kosher food. Oh, Ninja Trader mine says MQ September 26th, so I must auto switch. Yes, Ninja Trader auto switched. On, yeah, I'm Brazilian. DGB Brazil, DG Brazil. I'm Brazilian.
A 5 micro short at 62, Leo. Just something quick. Let's see if it pushes down a little. I'm breaking even though.
Iran's National Security Council says
no risk on
maritime
this
blockade
trade.
against Iran to end immediately and entirely.
Come on, push down. That took me out.
Yeah, this is the RSI. Yeah, 14 periods RSI. The pass from Brahim, yeah. The defense slapped on that pass, man. Fishman, God bless, my brother. Take care. How you doing? Is Brazil dangerous, full of gangsters? Brother, what type of question is that? Yes, of course it is. I'm joking.
Is it really, Leo? Or is it like just
No,
know,
like
I mean, what? Or is
there's
it not that bad,
crime.
like, in...
There's crime, like every country. Certain, let's say if you go to, you know, I went to a little city in Florida called Alice Beach. It's close to the city where they filmed like the Truman Show, that film with Jim Carrey. brother, like that's the most peaceful place ever. Like the average income of that city must be like $5 million per person, something like that. So probably there's like, it's probably the safest place in America or something like that. But if you go to, let's say, Washington before the new administration, or Detroit, or places that are dangerous, in Brazil it's the same way. There's places that it's very calm, chill. You can walk on the street, no fear. You can use like your Rolex, no problem. But there's other places that if you use your Rolex or your iPhone, people are probably going to like chop your hand off to take your watch or your phone. Just like every country or every city.
True. Fair enough.
But of course, there's like in Brazil, there's the favelas, or there's like criminal organizations that in the US you don't have, you know. So in Brazil, it's way more dangerous in certain places than in the US. It's a different type of dangerous. But where I live, it's heaven, my friend.
Oh, that's good though. That's nice.
I always say that I actually live in paradise, man. I'm very fortunate.
Oh, that's good. New Alberta Canada boys.
Yeah, Fishman. In all countries, you have dangerous gangsters, yeah. Paisan, hello Leo, how are you? I'm very good, and you? Did you see that story of the girl who went to bungee jump off the bridge in Brazil, but the guys that threw her off bridge forgot to attach the bungee line? I saw that, and that was one of the crazy things I ever... Like, was one of the most insane things that I've ever saw in my life. Like, I didn't watch the video, but I just watched the start of the video, and you can see, man, she had, like, you can see that the shit. It was a little bit of a clandestine place as well, so if you put, like, no, I'm not blaming her, but I personally will never do that, because it's a... Like, it was a zero, like, there was... It did not look professional. That place did not look professional. But it's a shame, like, they'll probably be in jail forever. Not forever, but, like, they'll probably get... The 3 dudes will probably get sentenced, like, for homicide.
That sucks. I'm gonna go short at 45. Let's see. Because it's trying to, like, I have a trend line, and let's see if it breaks it though. Breaking even.
I saw the video on Twitter, yeah. The world's so small, I just moved from Santa Rosa Beach, 10 minutes away from Alice Beach. Yeah. I drove all the way on the 30A. I drove everything. I went to... Yeah, all those little cities, those little communities. Santa Rosa was very beautiful. A lot of beautiful houses. Alice Beach. I forgot the name of the city that is the Truman Show film. I forgot the name. The price action is boring. Yes, it is. Yeah, trading pennies was like it's insanity, man. What? You're in a trade, Mango?
Yeah, I was. Yeah, I was just taking a quick short around like 40 or 50ish. Yeah, and then I just got out real quick. 200 on the eval.
1 second, guys.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get off right now.
I'm gonna get a hot sauce.
So yeah, let's see. Yeah, I don't like this price action. It's going too slow. I don't like the evals, and I gotta sleep anyways. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Take care. Have fun. Be safe. Don't do what I would do. Tell Leo I went home. I went to sleep. Thank you guys. Peace.
It's bedtime. Am I watching the White House card? No, I'm not. I think it starts 1 hour from now, but I'm going to watch that.
3 hurt in Kyiv during Russian airstrikes, mayor says.
I'm back, guys. I'm hearing a lot of selling. It's like I tried to go long here like a lot of times already. Like I think we're going to sweep down. It's one of two things. We either sweep down or 315 is the best long. That's why I'm trying to go long here. Well, we are closing this candle red. I guess that the next one will actually pull down a lot. Yeah. Are you looking for a long or short? I was trying to go long here, but now I actually wait. I will wait for the sweep of the lows. Look at the 1 minute. Yeah, the 1 minute is lower high, lower lows, everything we need. Yeah, we swept the low just for a little bit. Capitulation candle, then up, maybe, huh? I don't like this, guys. It would be healthy for us to go all the way down to the 21 EMA and then we see what we do there. Like you have to search for it. MNQ. U. Like this. Congrats on the trade, trap flat. Yeah, I really like the longs out of the 21 EMA. If it gets there, I'll probably do something.
Trump claims Strait will be permanently toll-free under Iran agreement. New York Times.
That's good news. If that is true, that is good news. It means the oil prices will not be impacted by tolls. Guys, hit the like. We are 6 likes away. Bro, actually, someone actually took the like and hit the dislike right there. Squeeze that dude. It was 94, now it's 93. 94 again. Squeeze that guy. Tested out the like button just to see if it's working, man. YouTube said it was not working.
Trump insists if Iran misses final nuclear deal with the US, he would resume military strikes on Tehran. New York Times.
Yeah, the deal's complete, but they are like still saying that they are going to bomb each other. So, brothers, this thing's not over. Squeeze me, yeah. I'll probably entertain a long out of the 21 EMA on the 5. I guess we probably bounce off of that. I'll leave a contract open here in case it does like a quick sweep down. Oh man, looks like there's buyers already. I don't like that. Thank you guys for everyone that hit the like and subscribe to the channel. There's not much that I can do right now, but I'm waiting, I'm searching. Time to rebuy. Yeah, it looks like the buyers entered here. I guess on the low of this little wedge that is forming. If it holds here, I think there's a real good chance we break all the way up again. I don't like this. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, man. I was waiting for the 21 and didn't got there. Like, that's a shame. Oh man, it gave the entry. Look at here. Oh, I was too slow. Like, this just became an order block. You know? And I like to enter at the exact moment that the order block's formed. It's a shame. I was right, trap flat. I don't even remember. Ham Amadi, you took the short from the top. Nice. Wonder what happened for him to dislike. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not providing much action today, guys. Sorry for that, but what can I do? It's not my fault. It's the market's fault, my guys. Problems that if I long right here, this trade of the long of this order block already gave like 25 points. It's returning, and this looks like a lower high right now, so it's a very sketchy price action. And the poor trader, just my company is good enough. Nice, man. Nice to hear that. Yeah, that's actually why I'm here for. Like, I give you guys company, you guys give me company, we trade together, and that's it. Like, if you're here hoping that I will make you money, brother, cannot promise you nothing. You're asking too much of me. Great time, good company. Yeah. Cheers from Argentina. Mi hermano. Enhorabuena. Jars, you're from Egypt, been in trading 8 years, just began to be profitable 8 months ago. Nice. ICT concepts with order confluences. Nice. Nice, man. 8 years in trading, just became profitable 8 months ago. Nice. Nice consistency. Nice perseverance. Your analysis is all one need. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, that I can give you guys. Like, I can be a good analyst for you, but I can only be a good trader for myself. I feel like if we push through this 330 range, it might be stairs up. Yeah. Like, looks like a possible situation is that we break outside this wedge and we fulfill the next leg of this movement up. But like I said, I'm discounting the first candle, man. I'm not counting the first candle at all in my like, because this candle was formed based on news, and you can look that after that the price action is like a sideways action, a little downtrend. So I'm counting this more than the actual first candle bullish situation and thinking that we're going to get a new bullish to the bullish momentum. I'm actually like, if we break this little wedge up, then I start believing in the new push to the upside. And the targets are probably very good targets. Let's see. Let's say if we go to the 100% target is at 511. So we have like more than 200 points to the upside. Yeah, it was a shame that we did not get to the 21 EMA, because I would have waited. I would have entered the long there 100%. I was waiting for price to try to go for the 21. I was going to go long there, you know. Maybe I can try a short here, actually. Little stop. Maybe I can use the profits that I have for a stop. That would be around 65. I feel like if we push through this 330 range, it might be stairs up, yeah. Alves Clayton, yes, I'm Brazilian. Are you Brazilian? Judging by your name, I guess yes. You're from São Paulo, nice. Yeah, price action is not the best at the moment. I'm entertaining a short, man. Gotta risk it. Risk it for the biscuit, isn't it? What you guys say? Try to go short at 350. If it gives a little spike up and rejection, it will probably be nice. it will probably be the best place to take a short. Ducky, I don't understand what you just said right there. I'll join a short here and another one at 350. And I'll try to go for the order block at 318. So it's basically got a 20-point trade. I'll probably have a 20-point stop as well. Like if the buyers picks up and breaks to the upside, then like fair game to the buyers. But I'm trying to trade this little wedge right here. Yeah, the S&P is getting a lot of buyers, and the S&P looks more bullish than the NQ right now. Let's see. Let's see. Bro, didn't fill by like a point or something. Ducky, I don't understand what you're asking me. I don't know what that word means. I guess you think you want me to look at gold? Not right now, I'm in a trade, but I will look at gold for you in a while, in a second. Um, I guess 61 is enough. For a stop loss, 16, 17 points. Yeah, I tried to take a short right at the wedge, and if it breaks, fair enough. If it respects the wedge, then I'm in a good trade. But I'm hearing buyers right here. That's not a good sign. On the 1 minute, we are already longed to the long side, you know. Yeah, I don't like that I'm hearing buyers actually. But let's see. If it gives me this TP at 36, it will be cool, because then even if I lose on this trade, I still be on the green side. So all I need is a little bit of a 8-pointer to the downside for me to be green on this trade, no matter what. So it's 4 green candles in a row, closing right at the edge of this little wedge. You feel me? So, okay, like I got filled with 13 points on that edge. So that means that even if I get stopped out on this trade, I'm still green. So I'm trying to take the next one at 319. So let's see if it breaks to the downside. I'm not hearing sellers on tick strike, so that means that like there's actually no one doing this move. I didn't hear anything on the S&P. The tick strike is working. Yeah, tick strike is working. Yeah, I don't know what will happen when Japan starts trading. I don't actually have an opinion. I will have to wait. Like, the price action is not showing me nothing. I guess for Japan it's good that the war is over, because they get affected by the price oil. I don't know. If they were hedging oil on Japan, they'll probably have to close those open positions, because it's a change of expectation, I guess. Yeah, if this candle turns green, I want to get out of this trade. I don't want to be in anymore, because like it broke to the downside. I don't want this candle to be green. Like, it needs to be red all the way. It's just a protective matter. Yeah, guys, the trades are not going anywhere. Like, even if you enter like a nice trade, if you're not taking like 10 points, it's not going anywhere. See, like I was in a trade at the best place possible. Once it starts going my way, loses the low of the last candle, it's all red. I don't want to see this candle becoming green, because then I'm in a pickle. Like, what's the word you guys say? I'm in a pickle. I don't want to be in a pickle at Sunday Open. I want to be in like smooth trades. You know, I have zero interest in trades that go in my way, then comes back and goes against me. I have zero interest in that. Trap Flat, please don't curse on the chat. Your messages are welcomed, but please don't curse on the chat. That's the only rule we have. And don't trash talk the mods. Is the two rules we have, my friend. No problem, no problem, zero problem. Like, you're not supposed to know that. And it's one of the first times, I guess, you send messages. Because I don't remember your name.
US-Iran agreement aiming to end hostilities.
No problem. You're not supposed to know that. Like, Yeah, but that's the two rules. Don't curse on the chat and don't trash talk the mods. That's the two rules. You're looking for someone to keep you company. First timer, nice man. Welcome. Subscribe to the channel, the Discord if you want to join. There's a lot of cool people in there sharing their trading journey, profit, losses, payouts, everything. It's free. It's on the description. You can join that. And subscribe to the channel as well. This is only the Sunday open stream. My name is Leo. Mr. Pasha is the one that you're seeing on the name of the channel and on the picture of the channel. We live every day, New York session, from start to finish. And we have a pre-market show 2.5 hours before open. We start a live stream with me. And after 2 hours, Mr. Pasha comes in and he takes the reins. And we trade from start to finish New York session every day. Sil, hi Leo, hello my friend.
Japan PM Takeichi strongly hope it results in free and secure navigation in Strait of Hormuz.
Honestly, you thought it was a scam stream. I usually see Pasha stream on New York session. Nice to finally meet you. Nice to meet you. Like, yeah, I do like the pre-market show stream. And I do the Sunday open stream. Sometimes Pasha joins, sometimes he's here on the chat. And usually I trade with Pasha throughout the New York session as well. Sometimes I do the stream when he needs as well. But yeah, a lot of people don't know who I am still. I understand that. Yeah, I just missed the long at 316 again. I guess this was some type of news that drove this. Dar's first time here. Welcome. Welcome aboard, my friend. Same thing. We're here every day. 2.5 hours before New York open. We live with the pre-market show. And we go all the way until New York closes every single day. Took long on the OLB. Nice. Yeah, I just missed the order block here, man. Should have went long. I should have. I'm just not feeling it, actually. I'm just not feeling it. You guys trade prop firms too? DARS and Shasha and Trap Flat. Do you guys trade prop firms? Asking you because it's the first time of you guys here. Not Shasha, but like the other two. But you can answer too, Shasha. What I think would be cool is a stream with both of you, while with the ability to toggle between each setup. Our watches. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. Like that would be pretty cool. Maybe in the future we can do that at some point. I would be down for that, but there's complications to do that, you know? There's complications. Trap Flat, you're on live. DARS, you're funding pips. So you're trading CFDs on funding pips. Funding pips is the one that was the owner of funding ticks, isn't it? Choppy all the way. But I do props as well. Nice. Yeah, you do, Shasha? Trade gold usually? Yeah, someone asked me to look at gold. Ooh, gold is on this candle right here. Looks like a bullish breakout, actually. This looks like a bullish breakout on gold. Up relaxing, maybe. Yeah, I'll like at some point. Look, we probably do that tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll probably be on the New York session stream. We'll probably I'll be the one there, because usually on Mondays for the first like 2 hours Pasha has Bible study, so I'll probably be doing the pre-market show and the first 2.5 hours of New York session tomorrow. Careful with gold and silver, yeah, man. Gotta be. I actually like this long here. I'll try to enter here. 321. I'll try to enter another one here. Like now I think we can get a breakout to the upside. The problem is that we have Japan open. Hey, but I enjoy this long right here. I like it. It can be like a little early because it can go all the way down again. But I don't know, like for me this order block is holding nicely. Let's see if we can get like a push to the upside again. I'll probably hold this long until it breaks the 21 EMA. If it breaks the 21 EMA, that's when it invalidates this long for me. Let's see if this candle turns to the green side. So yeah. Yeah, got like a 10-pointer on that ad, so it's a nice thing. Man, look at this order block right here. Like, how crazy is that? Like, tell me. Like, the immediate next candle touched that order block, gave a huge, like, 70 points move. Then it came all the way back to the order block. It touched and gave the push to the downside again. Look how crazy is that? It's unreal. Actually unreal. I guess if this is a higher low, I can go for a new high, actually. If this forms a higher low, I can go for a new high. Price action wise, this trend line, I guess it makes no sense anymore. Let's see if we try to do a new high. 354. That's how price move, guys, you know? Unless it does a new low, so then price will be compressing. Then that's no bueno. Yeah, 7 points away. Don't like this rejection. Going long again, believing that this candle will close green and not red. So 340, I'll probably get out. Actually, let me get out on this order block right here. Yeah, but the profit target that I had would have been fulfilled, man. That's the price of being a little greedy. You have 1 minute to see this candle close green. I guess that like it's not working, but got like 5 points on it. Nice. I'm hearing buyers. Let's see if we push for a new high. If this candle closes green like this, it's a good sign for me. Like I could use a little more target, but price is just not moving. It's a little bit of a hopium move to go for higher than 354. Let's see, if this candle closes like this, I'm going to believe that we go for a new high. Can we get, like, the ES looks good. Oil is looking good to a push to the downside. I'm going to take this $100 on each account, so that's 300 bucks right there, guys. I don't know if it's going to break or not. If it breaks, nice, but I'm going to take this 100 bucks in each account. Like, if it breaks this high, that's a market structure shift confirmed. But I don't have a Palantir, if you guys know what that is. For any Lord of the Ring nerds, I don't have a Palantir to know the future. Like, judging by the price section, to be 100 bucks up in each account, it's good enough. Trying to be content with that. Let's see if we can find like another trade. But like, look at the order blocks, guys. Like, these things really work, man. Like, these things really work. You know? Oh my god. Guys, if you're liking the stream, please hit the like button. Let's push it to 150 if we can. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to do the best we can right now. You spotted the right one. That's the whole point. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, at least. Like, if you exclude the first candle, guys, look at this. If you exclude the first candle, this is a sideways market. The first candle was heavily affected by the news. If you exclude the first candle, this is sideways market. Like, it's even a little bit to the downside, you know? But when you look at like this, like, it looks like hella bullish. Let me do one thing. Yeah. Yeah, see that rejection? That's what I was afraid of. Mm-mm-mm. I think Japan is opening now. Is that right? I'm going to leave a long here. I guess.
5 killed, at least 5 injured in Russian strike on Ukraine's Kharkiv authorities.
I guess we're pushing up in Japan. You could have filled me in at 317. Like, why? Why dub me like that? Why dub me like that? New high incoming. Yeah, we just formed the new high with the Japan Open on the market structure, so we're probably going for a new high overall.
Versus 1,518.3 at previous close.
Like, I hope Pasha hold on to his long. I hope he hold on to his long. Actually nice push to the upside. Let's see if we get new price action out of this. Trap flat, they chopped you out before this move. Yeah, man, I was trying to be extra careful to not be chopped out, you know? I was trying to be extra careful. Let's see if Apex. Yeah, Apex took out the profits on the account that I requested the payout, so we're good to trade on that. Apex is doing an awesome job right now, guys. Payouts approved in 2 minutes. Payments coming into the bank account in less than a week. That's a very good thing. I'm enjoying them very much right now. Not gonna lie. Needed that long, got out with 175. Nice, nice. Good night, Dars. Good night, good night. Trap flag, have a good night. Rev unit. That's huge. The legacy account still takes so long. They're still under the old vetting system where it takes 2 or 3 days to approval, then 3 to 5 days to pay out. Yeah, man, I had a 300k legacy account that was with a massive buffer. I regret losing that to this day, man. I still dream about that account because, like, that account you could milk those legacy accounts forever, basically. Oh man, 305, $3,500 payouts. Each payout, like, that was the golden age of the prop firms. Those 300k accounts, once you're above buffer, man. There was a day that I traded, like, I was actually at payout. I needed just one more day, $50, and I lost the account. I needed $50 and I lost the account. Like, it was, this is 5 months ago, I think. Long time ago. These accounts that I'm trading right now, I'm trading them for like almost 2 months, I think. So it's probably 5 months ago. I don't know if we go like $50K. Yeah. Yeah, on the legacy accounts, it was like you needed eight trading days, and 5 of those days needed to be $50. I remember. You needed 8 trading days, and 5 of the days needed only $50. So you could trade to payout, like, and then you just like requested the payout, got the payout denied, and trade 8 days like clean, and then request the payout again, get the payout approved. Was like, that is not coming back anymore, man. But the system that we have right now in Apex, to me, is very good. It's very, very good. Like, it's not difficult to get to payouts. You still can trade 20 accounts. The amount of, like, you can request $15,000 of each 50k account. That's a lot of money, man. If you get a set of 20 accounts and you go to the maximum 15k twice a year, brother, that's like $600,000 in a year, man. Yeah, $50. Yeah. Yes, if you have like a legacy account on Apex, cherish that. Yeah, man, we were rejecting the highs. Now we are actually breaking up. Like, this opens a target to... First target is at 468, guys. 465 is the first target. 465. Okay. Agreed, Leo. That's the dream. Scale up to max account and just trade small. Yeah. Man, I'm at 7 accounts right now. Brother, I'm at 7 accounts right now. Let me do that math. 7 accounts times 15 is like 100k, man. I can request only on 7 accounts. Like, if I do that twice a year, like if I take 6 months to get to all the payouts, trading small, twice a year, that's $210,000 a year. That's a lot of money, you know? And like, the more you keep the accounts, the less you spend on prop firms, you know? Next hurting. Yeah, and Q's pushing. Yeah, the best trade of the session was the long out of the order block. And I was in that trade. I just got out early. And I was calling like if there was a new high here, market structure shift, and we probably go for highs. But I was extra careful on that trade, so we're probably going for the first TP of the 15-minute orb right now. But actually, I think the 15-minute orb failed. I guess it failed. Like, actually, the confirmation was at this candle right here. Like, the actual confirmation was at this candle right here, because it was the first candle that closed above the orb. And the target is at 582. But, like, if you entered on the sweep of the orb, I think you got stopped out at a break-even right here. Not break-even. Yeah, you got stopped out at the half of it if you, like, did the orb by the book. You know? But not the orb, but like the price action that I was looking for the most was this little wedge that was forming, and we broke that to the upside. So now we have the targets of 465. 465, yes. Yeah, taking a bite is more than enough. I agree with that, Ars. I agree with that. It's just like, it's sad because like right here, I won't go long blindly here. Because like this, in a pullback, the drawdown will be massively. Not massively, it will be massive, the drawdown on a pullback. What you can see, Jax? On mobile phone, don't worry. Now oh, okay. Yeah, first target is at 567. If it breaks that, we get the next target at 511.
China PBOC expected to fix yuan midpoint at 6.7544 per dollar. Estimate.
Yeah, guys, like it's complicated to jump on trades right now. For me, it's very complicated. There it is. I said it. Like, do I try? Like, it's picking up traction, you know? Yeah, I'll try to go long for this 550 level right here. Like, I hope it breaks up again. I'll try to ride this 90 MAs right here. Yeah, this candle looks like a red candle. Try to get out of break even. Yeah, I got out because like it's very close. Like the S&P closed a red candle. I don't like that. Oh, I'm on the wrong S&P contract. Like the only reason this 5-minute candle did not close red is because on the last seconds some buyers appeared. But like this is not a continuation candle, so I won't like the longs over here, and we are very overbought on the RSI, so possible topping pattern will start appearing at some point. I enjoy the shorts a little bit more right now. The target is always almost getting filled at 465. We got to 462, so at some point, like, it's more likely that we get a topping pattern and a little pullback at least than a continuation. It's more likely. I'm not saying that that's what's going to happen, but it's more likely. So if I stay long here, I will probably eat a drawdown too big. $465 target hit. It either pulls back from here or we break to the upside. Like pullback incoming, little divergence on the RSI on the 1 minute. The 5 minute, it's way overbought, so I guess that a pullback is incoming, guys. That's what I guess. Leo, I'm beginning to hear that tick strike noise in my dreams at night. Yeah, man. No, like now I'm so used to that I cannot trade without it, man. Like that's the problem. I'm seeing that the price moving. I'm seeing the price move, and I'm like, is it tick strike like hitting or no? Like I feel like I'm blind now. Do I trust this movement? This movement started with tick strike or was like with nothing, you know? So like that's a problem. Do I go for a risky short here? It's a risky short. It's a risky short. I'll entertain a short here. Let's see if it plays the range of this little drift. Protecting this trade already. Do I take the 10-pointer? Do I take the 10? I'm taking the 10-pointer. I'm taking the 10-pointer. I'm taking the 10-pointer. Yeah, this time I just want a 10-pointer. Maybe this is the best short of the night, man. Like I really believe that we can. Like this is a little drift that it's happening right now on the 5-minute, but like the odds of this being the last high formed, it's very low. So like every single thing is getting bought up again. Yeah, I just took the 10 points. Like, not gonna complain. Like, I just made almost $400, man. That's, to me, that's a lot of money. Maybe for some crazy YouTubers are not, but I'm probably the most realistic day trading YouTube you've ever seen in your life. Okay. Oh, the UFC is almost starting. Be real, yeah. Yeah, that's what I try to do. Oh, Mr. Pasha just posted a new reel. I'm going to send the reel on the chat. You guys give it a like, give it a comment. Enter on the link, watch the reels. Hit the like there, comment on there. If I missed any messages, man, like just resend that to me, please. The link to the reel is on the chat. Like, you will be very kind if you go there. Watch the reel, give it a like, give it a comment. Yeah, the market slowed down a lot, man. Like, he gave this nice push. We caught a nice long over here, but we weren't our part of this huge push here. But I guess we did a little bit of a good job catching something. Yeah, we are 14 likes away from 150 likes, guys. Let's see if you can hit that. Seems like a short building up. Yeah, looks like if you look at the RSI, we are way too overbought. The volume is slowing down. It's a drift formation here. It's a little drift forming to the upside. So this is a little bit of a topping pattern. So I guess that a pullback, it's a normal thing to happen after this. Unless for some reason buyers step in out of nowhere. But looks like a short forming. Probably is going to close a red candle. I would take a short here, but guys, the stream. Oh, we're 8 likes away, guys. I know you guys can do that. Pasha has got to work on that swing. I still didn't watch it. I just sent you guys, but I'm with it open to watch. Yeah, 556 is a nice short actually. Yeah, the next target, if you guys want to mark that out, is 509. 509 is the next target if it continues up, and after that is 583. So 509 and 583 is the next targets to the upside, guys. Do you think the market will take off if the war is over? We kind of did that. Like, the news is that the deal is finalized, the agreement is finalized, and we are pushing up kind of because of that. Oil dropped a lot. The market is pushing up kind of because of that already. I think that some news comes that it's all fake and the war is like there's no agreement, or someone breaks the agreement and says that it's not in accordance to it anymore. Then we'll probably see like a rejection to the downside. But yeah, guys, this stream is coming to an end. Like, we are 2.5 hours into New York to Asia session. This was the movement. We caught some good trades. We didn't risk like much. We try to be more risk averse here. If you enjoyed the stream, please hit the like, subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow morning, 2.5 hours before New York starts, we'll be here on the pre-market show, and we'll trade until New York closes. So you'll be welcome to come back every single day, Monday through Friday. And thank you very much for the company, everyone that sent messages on the chat. Trading with you guys is one of the nicest things that I can do. One of the most cool things. And I appreciate each and every one of you that spend your time with me. Please, for the last time, you can hit the like to help the stream. You can subscribe. You can join the Discord. It's free. All the links that you ever need for trading is on the description of the video. You have everything there. All the mods, Trading Pennies, FEMA, Linet, RevenueNet, the Trade Titans, then the Power Trader, RevenueNet, DARS, first time here, like, awesome to have you here. Everyone that came, the regulars, it's always cool to talk to you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the pre-market show. So thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. See you guys tomorrow. Trade carefully if you're going to continue. I went for a walk today. Have a nice rest of the weekend. Melly, thank you. RevenueNet, thank you. JV Joe, thank you. Everyone, you guys are awesome, like always. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. See you guys on the flipper. God bless everyone.